I am so impressed with how quiet this thing is.
Yeah, it's nice and quiet.
That is just beautiful. I like how you put the blocks there up against it. Well, those supports, we didn't provide this for you.
No.
So that's really slick. Those are really clean. So the two wires that are going into the heat pump from the house, one wire gets installed pretty much right across. But the other wire, however, is you got to open the top.
Yeah, you got to take all those screws
Take all
out,
those screws
lift the
off.
lid off, and then there's another cover you've got to take out.
Okay.
And then you can see the board that's up there and where to make that connection.
And the connection's easy. It's just you didn't know how to get to it.
They have a picture of the connection in the book.
Yeah.
Compact, straightforward. I was trying to explain to tech support. I said, guys, this is stacked, one right on top of the other.
Yep.
It isn't spread out.
So, and you don't have one manifold down in this room, do you?
No.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
So really.
Right up the lines
Yep.
and go right up to my manifolds.
Yep, I like it. And a lot of time, plumbers will put the manifolds and try to get them in here.
And run all the tubes down here.
Yes, it gets messy.
I couldn't even imagine.
No, it gets messy. That's
I
correct.
couldn't even imagine. But this has been, I mean, this is how I kind of, you know, when you have those sleepless nights, you're just laying in bed and you're thinking about how you're going to put all this in.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what I saw in my mind's eye. So I've got my little tester to check my glycol because we got to make sure we keep the glycol in it.
Good.
But
Good.
I think it's 20, I want to say a 57-gallon system. And I had to put 26 gallons of glycol in it.
And how hard was it to learn the little control panel there?
Oh, it's a piece of cake. This thing's just as straightforward as it gets. I mean, you can get right into the settings. You just need to know the code.
Yep. Your keypad, your 4-digit code.
So I can go in and look at all the parameters. I can go in and look at all the failures. Come on.
Wow.
All the parameters.
Okay.
And Jared's going to go through all these just to make sure
Good.
that they're where they need to be.
Good.
But now I am connected and he can see me
Through the bridge.
through the bridge at his computer.
I love it. What was the amps you brought into the house?
The what?
The amount of amps the electric service brought into the house? Was it
It's
400?
No, it's 200 amp.
200 amp.
Yeah. Yeah. The outside unit's on a 50 amp circuit. This is on a 30 amp circuit.
Yep.
My wife's.
So that's a third of your power right there.
All of the appliances for this house are the latest and greatest when it comes to energy efficiency.
Okay.
So,
That helps a lot.
yeah. So very low power consumption.
Outstanding. That's so well organized. Did you help this, or do you have an electrician that put this?
I hired an electrician.
Smart.
I could have, but he wouldn't let me.
All the labeling's amazing. I see your 20 amps. There's your 40 amps. Got some 30 amps for the buffer tank.
So the outgoing or the incoming air is given the heat from the outgoing air through that box. This is something else that I had to install. And it goes all the way up that mez or that chase to the top floor.